Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Motlatsi Lepota from a brand called Kabona Accessories based in the Val, Sharpeville. We started back in 2020. The reason why we started Kabona Accessories is to actually close the gap between big brands and us as SMMEs, to actually provide people with what quality sunglasses, eyewear, and also headwear that we provide as well. Kabona Accessories offers eyewear, headwear, and PPE, personal protective equipment. We manufacture clothing as well as we started out now, but basically our core business is eyewear. Our products are available nationwide through all courier service platforms. We offer our products are one of the best because we pay attention to quality, detail, and specifics that throughout the years that we've been experiencing and our customers has been telling us that they need. You can find Kabona on all social platforms. From Facebook, we are Kabona Accessories. In Instagram, it's Kabona Accessories, one word, _. We are also on LinkedIn as Kabona Accessories. Also on Google Business, it's Kabona Accessories. Oh, you can contact us on 068 2840 532. WhatsApp and calls friendly. Hi, my name is Motlatsi Lepota and I'm a township entrepreneur.